I think you see. Hi my people, I'm Arafat Mechanic 256. This is cylinder head. You see how water was mixed with the engine oil. I think you see even here, water is in chamber. It entered in chamber because of cylinder head gasket. Here is the problem. Here is the problem. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the link, and so on, like my lives, my videos. I will be continue updating you. Yeah, that is to a Z engine, cylinder head gasket. It is the problem, as you see here. You see. So that is it. I'm going to fix a new cylinder, to replace a new cylinder head gasket, and I'm going to replace a new chain guides, because these chain guides, they are done. As you see here, chain guides all are done. I'm going to fix all, even chain tensioner. I'm going to fix a new one. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment. Even you share, such that you can get updates every time. Thank you so much my people. I'm Arafat Mechanic.